he introduced me.
I'd like to say,
Hi, Nick. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Tagal na natin nagpupunta.
Okay. And now we have Miss Jody.
Nikki, happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Have fun.
Jody.
Makabait ka. Yun palagi. Hi sa mami mo, sa daddy mo, tsaka, ano pangalan ng kapatid niya? Kyle?
Kyle.
Kyle. Hi, Kyle.
Ate baby. Ano kami ngayon, ha?
Ito pang ibang mga membro. Some other members of the church and visitors and friends. Yeah, si Joseph, oh. Joseph, say hi to Nikki. Happy, it's her birthday.
Happy birthday.
That's her 80th birthday, I think. That's Ansel, the main man. Chris, great Nikki, happy birthday. Oh, that's Chris, my little son. I'll say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Umakla na po kayo na.
Ayan, iba pa natin mga membro sa simbahan. Ayan, si Ogie, oh, sila ang pinakasikat dito eh. Ayan. Pastor, oh, yan. Pastor, yan, malapit na mag-retire yan. Magpupunta yan sa, saan ba pupunta? Mexico para tanim ng Tanim ng kangkong at kamote. Ayan, oh. Mga membro natin. Yan. Kinakamusta kayo. At ito si Ate Aida. Ate Aida, magbati mo naman si Nikki.
Ano?
Si Nikki.
Sinong Nikki?
Nikki, anak ni Tati the Baby.
Yung sa Pilipinas?
Anong last name nila?
Naku ba, nakalimutan ko.
Kamusta? Namimiss namin kayo.
Anak ni Elmer.
Balik. Oo, sila brother Elmer.
Yeah.
Balik kayo.
Yeah, that's our pastor. He's going to Mexico.
We're having the women's fellowship. They had a good time. We did have a great time. I wish I could go, but they put me out.
Ayan, si brother, Cyril, ang aming moderator at aming Bible teacher dito. Sige. Sandali, Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Papadala namin sa Philippines. Okay. Sir, greet Nikki. Greet Nikki, birthday niya. Dito, magsalita ka. Papadala sa Philippines to.
Sino?
Nikki.
Oh, Nikki.
Nikki, anak ni Elmer.
Oh, yeah. So,
18th birthday yata.
oh, hi, Nikki. Happy birthday.
Hindi sila mabalik dito.
Hindi ko pa alam basta.
We love you. We miss you. I hope you will come back soon. God bless. Say hi to your mom, okay? Bye.
These are band instruments, the drums, PA, the bass amp, mic, the PA system. Ito ang aking bass guitar.
So you're in contact with the brother.
No, we will send her through email. Ate Josie. Ate Josie. Halika. Ate Josie, halika.
Brother Jim.
Yeah.
Survey.
Oh, bati mo si Nikki, anak ni Elmer. Papadala sa Pilipinas to.
Hi, Elmer. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Looking forward to seeing you here with us again, worshiping the Lord. Namimiss na namin kayo. Okay?
Okay.
So, pretty soon, we'll see you.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Nandito pa nakikipag-chika-chika pa. So, nakitira ako na close.
Hindi, malayo.
Tatawa, tagal na tayo.
Oh, my mom is picking me up.
Oo. Salita ka ulit.
Hi!
Amy.
Happy birthday, Nikki! From Miss America, the United States.
Miss America?
Hindi pala, ito pala si Miss America. Ito pala si Miss America.
Yan ang involved na Ilog Pasig 1969. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy
Namiss ka na
18th
namin.
birthday. We miss you, we love you.
Sana magkita ulit tayo.
Yeah.
Next year daw. Sabi mo, next year. Amy.
Next year. Hindi naman next year, dapat sooner. The
So,
sooner
baka
the
umuwi
better.
nga pala kami. Baka umuwi kami. So,
Okay.
kita
You're invited to the wedding.
Oh.
Kung alam ko lang kung kailan yun.
Okay, ayan ha.
Okay.
Bati ka na.
Okay. Oh, sila naman, oh.
Hindi, meron na eh. Nakunan ko na eh.
Nanang Piling, bumati na po ba kayo?
Birthday ni Nikki.
Kilala niyo si Nikki po?
Oo.
Ayan, batiin nyo nanay.
Batiin niyo na po si Nikki, Nanang.
18th birthday, oh.
18th birthday, di ba?
Di po.
Ate po ba niya?
Oh, di po.
Nikki, oh. Ay, papasok.
Ayan, si nanay Trining, oh, Nikki. Yang looking eh. Tino mo, hindi na nagtitina ng buhay.
Bati na po kayo.
Ano, bati kayo, sabi niya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po kay Nikki.
Ayan, sana.
Ayos.
Sige, salamat po. Okay, tama na yan.
Grabe ba? Patingin naman.
Ayun, marami.
Hindi kay Amy.
My picture there? If it's good,
Oh, ito pa, ito. Mahabol na. Hindi, mamaya na. Bati ka ulit, oh.
not again.
Hindi, teka. Re-rewind natin.